Hey everyone, this is Tyler Constable with Avantra, and welcome to the Changes training video. In this, we're going to go past just the technical monitoring, but start to get into some of the things that you might get audited on. So things like, did a new database user get created? Did a profile parameter get changed? These are what we call changes in Avantra, and I'm looking forward to showing you around.
When in Avantra, there are two different ways of getting to what we call changes. We can go to them by going to the Systems, SAP Systems, selecting the system you would like to look at, and selecting the Changes tab, and see which changes are associated with this particular SAP system. Another way is to select the support changes. Let's support changes. Now these are all the changes across all of the different customers or systems that you have access to under your user ID. This example, I'm going to go back about 6 months. Now you can look for certain dates, so on and so forth. These are the types of changes that you would often find in an audit. So things like, did a database user get created? Did a client get opened up? So you can see a client has been changed, right? What did it get opened up from? What did it get opened up to? Did it get closed back down? Did a kernel update happen? Did support packs or enhancement packs happen? Were there changes here in any .inis, right? So very, very deep changes. So we can actually click into one here. It's a very simple example. And here you can actually see everything that was created in this particular file here. This also gives the date that it happened and the customer application as well. You'll also notice there's an area for attachments. So from an audit standpoint, if you wanted to make sure that everything was kept in track, you can actually use Avantra for that. So Avantra is constantly 24/7 looking for these changes. As something occurs, you can actually come in here, maybe you've got a change control board or change approval process that needs to sign off on a document that you can actually upload the documents by selecting the tab here, change attachments. If you would like, you can even go as far as putting in different statuses of implemented, planned, processing, and done as well. So these are more if you want to pre-plan for any of these changes as well. So the changes can be used to build out new ones, or as Avantra is monitoring the system, it's going to be looking at profile parameters and all of those things, and database parameters, and anytime something changes, it's going to automatically be recorded in the change here. In this training session, we reviewed the purpose of changes and a quick overview of how the changes are used.